Hey guys, what is going on? It's CJSM Tiger Rider, and today we're going to be looking at another review of the Insta360 X3's setting deep tracking. So in this video you're going to know how to use it, what it does, and how to use it effectively. There's so many things this camera does that I'll share with you over the coming weeks, but I cannot cram that into one video, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. Without further ado, right, so we've got a video of me riding down the road, filtering through traffic. Pause the video here, you see that plus in yellow, we're going to press that and it brings up the option menu. You've got movement, viewfinder and deep track, which is the one we're going to be doing today. So movement allows you to do all of these bits and pieces here. I'll just scroll along to the motorcycle ones, which you'll be interested in, what they do. And then you go on to viewfinder. This now allows you to use my phone in my hand to just turn it around. Look like a bit of a fool doing it, but if you've got something you want to do, you can, literally you can do absolutely anything. Just to guard that, and then we go on to the one that we're actually all here for today. So we're going to use that Mercedes in the distance. The other side of the road. What you're going to do is you're going to cover a square, and you literally use your finger doing that on your phone. I've got the app, and then as you can see there, it literally just focuses on the bit that you've selected, and it will follow it all the way around. So now this is it in action. I'm riding with my dad again, just coming down this motorway here. You'll see as we overtake this pickup here, I'm going to go past my dad, and what I've done is I've used the green cover to cover my dad's bike. I probably paused it just as you can see the whole motorcycle, which would be about now, and you see the camera suddenly starts panning round. You see when it jumped onto his bike, that's when the deep tracking started. And then I do it again towards the end of this clip, so I'll leave that one with you for now. As you can see here, I've just pulled into the slow lane to give my dad ample room to open the throttle up a bit, as there's nothing ahead, so we can show you exactly what we're doing. So that little green square straight over the bike on deep tracking, you record it, and then that's what it would look like on your side. That's all we've got time for today. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, ride safe.